Unlocking Linux Mint. 5 hidden gems you didn't know existed. Are you really getting the most from Linux Mint or just skimming the surface? Today I'm going to show you 5 powerful, often overlooked features built into Mint that can speed up your workflow, protect your system, and let you customize your desktop like a pro. No extra subscriptions, no cloud voodoo, just tools already at your fingertips. Let's dive in. The power of Cinnamon Desklets. Small, mighty, always on. Desklets are little desktop widgets for Cinnamon. Think compact system monitors, quick notes, calendars, and shortcuts that live on your desktop. They're perfect for at-a-glance info without opening apps.
Why it matters. Save time by moving small tasks and status info out of apps and directly onto the desktop. Use a productivity desklet for timers, a network monitor for bandwidth spikes, or a notes desklet for one-click copy-paste snippets. Timeshift, your system's undo button. Timeshift creates system snapshots you can roll back to if an update or installation breaks something. Think of it like System Restore on Windows or Time Machine on macOS, but for your system files and configuration.
Pro tip: create a manual Timeshift snapshot before major upgrades or driver installs, and set a conservative automatic schedule, daily, weekly, plus retain policy, for peace of mind. Nemo File Manager, custom actions, bulk renaming, and scripting. Nemo does more than drag and drop. It supports bulk rename, custom right-click actions, and scripts, so you can automate repetitive file tasks without opening a terminal every time. Why it matters. Remove repetitive clicks. Convert many images, append timestamps, or encrypt groups of files with a single right-click.
Warpinator, fast local network file transfers. Warpinator is Mint's local network file transfer tool. No cloud accounts, no USB sticks, just fast transfers over your LAN between Linux Mint installs, and there are ports for other platforms too. Why it matters. Quick, secure transfers limited to your network. Great for large media files, quick collaboration, or moving content between your desktop and laptop without internet upload. Compiz, advanced desktop effects and productivity features. Compiz is the compositing window manager that gives you advanced effects. Expo workspace overviews, cube workspaces, window animations like wobbly windows, and many plugins that can speed navigation. It's often overlooked because Cinnamon provides its own compositor, but if you want powerful visual workspace tools, Compiz is worth exploring. Safety note: enabling Compiz usually means replacing the default window manager. Do this only after you've created a Timeshift snapshot and understand how to revert. Some desktop features may conflict. Test carefully. Why it matters. Compiz is not just eye candy. Features like Expo and Scale can make window management quicker for power users who juggle many windows and workspaces. Which hidden gem surprised you most? Desklets, Timeshift, Nemo hacks, Warpinator, or Compiz? Tell me in the comments, and if you want, I'll make a deep dive tutorial on any one of these, step-by-step scripts and downloadable Nemo actions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Linux Mint tips.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily videos. Bye!